Good morning, everybody. It is, I can't tell you because then I would give it away, but we are still in the month of May. M-A-Y. May. And the sun has been out. It's been hot outside. So let's get started with our morning calendar. We need 2 hands and 2 fingers. Are you guys ready to join me for singing? Good morning. Good morning, how are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Very well, thank you. How about you? How about you? Thank you for joining me, you guys. So if yesterday was Tuesday, that means today is Wednesday. Very good. I heard a few of my friends saying it. So if yesterday was Tuesday, today is Wednesday. Now let's look down here at our numbers, my friends. We are almost done with the month of May. It's flying by. It's crazy. So yesterday we had the number 26. A 2 and a 6 put together is 26. What number comes next? Now to figure that out, I'm going to start counting at the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, it is 27. When I write the number 27, I write a 2 and a 7. Very good, you guys. Now let's look at our color for our pattern. Yesterday I had the color green. So based on our key, what color comes next? Yesterday I was green, so today I am the color pink. Very good. I need the color pink today. Very good. Pink. Pink. Awesome work. Okay. Let's say our date. Today is Wednesday, May 27, 2020. Today is Wednesday, all day long, woo, all day long, woo. Yesterday was Tuesday, tomorrow will be Thursday, ding dong ding, ding dong ding. Now let's quickly talk about our lesson plan for today. So for Wednesday, we are going to use new letters to find objects in our house. So our letter sounds this week for looking in our house on a scavenger hunt are G, ol, and B. So let's go around Miss Sarah's house. Let's see what we can find. We need something with a G sound. G. Ooh! Miss Sarah found a green candle. Let's see. Ooh, let's go back here. I think Miss Sarah's dad took it to work. Oh, Miss Sarah found it. An umbrella. Umbrella. What do I need for Let's see if Miss Sarah can find something. Ooh! No, that's not gonna work. See, even Miss Sarah has to look around her house. Oh, here, watch. Miss Sarah is going to turn the lights off. Very good. So, my friends, you're going to go around your house and look for all this stuff. You got to find all the stuff in your house that begins with that sound. Let me know what you guys find. I'd love to hear it. Tell me below what you guys found with some of these letter sounds. I'd love to find out what you have in your house. I hope you guys have a wonderful and safe Wednesday. If you have any questions, please contact me or Miss Lily, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.